How to give a good speech. We are all called upon to make a speech at some point in life, but most of us don't do very good job. This article gives some suggestions on how to give an effective speech. 1. So you have to give a speech and you are difficult. You get nervous. You forget what you want to say, you stumble over words, you talk too long, and you bore your audience. Later, you think, thank goodness it's over. I'm just not good at public speaking. I hope I never have to do that again. 2. Cheer up. Is that have to be that bad? Here are some simple steps to take the pain out of speech making. First of all, it is important to plan. Do your homework. Find out everything you can be about your subject, and at the same time find out as much as you can about your audience. Who are they? What do they know about your subject? Do they have a common interest? Why are they coming to hear you speak? Put yourself in their shoes as, as you prefer your speech. 3. Ask yourself the purpose of your speech. What is the occasion? Why are you speaking? Are you introducing other speaker? Moderating a discussion? Give a lecture? Conversing someone? There are many possible speaking roles, and each one has its own special characteristic. Make sure you know into which category you fit. Don't spoil your speech by confusing one speaking role with another. 4. Let us suppose that you have been asked to introduce the main speaker at a conference. First, find out the most important and interesting thing about the speaker. Then, summarize this information in a few remarks. It is a right to tell a joke or a anecdote if it good taste and will not embarrass the speaker. And most important, be brief. Remember, you are not the main speaker. You are introducing the main speaker. 5. If you are a moderator, you should begin by giving a quick introduction of the people and the panel. After that, you should try to keep the discussion running smoothly, and you should try to focus on the connection between speakers. Keep yourself in the background. Don't take too much and don't intrude the finalists. Be tactful and be considered. 6. If you are giving a lecture or explaining idea, get as many facts as you can on your subject. Spend plenty of time doing your research. Then spend plenty of time organizing your material so that your speech is possible, and use vector cards and graphs if they will help you make your point more clearly. Never forget your audience. Don't talk over their heads, and don't talk down to them. Treat your audience with respect. They will experience your thoughtfulness. 7. If you are trying to sell something, you will need to convince your audience? Do you want them to vote for candidates? Are you offering them a new invert toothbrush? This kind of speech is usually dramatic, but here too, you must do your research and know your fake. When you are making your speech, try to relax. Speak slowly and clearly and look the people in your audience. Use simple vocabulary and expression whenever possible. Pause for a few seconds now then to give your audience a chance to think about what you have said. Make sure that everyone in the room can hear you. If it is a large room or an auditorium, you will probably have to use a microphone. 9. Just remember, be prepared. Know your subject, your audience, and the occasion. Be brief. Say what you have to say and then stop. And be yourself. Let your personality come through to that you make personal to personal contact with your audience. 10. If you follow this simple step, I see that you don't have to be afraid of public speaking. In fact, you may find the experience so enjoyable that you volunteer to make more speechless. You are not confident yet. Give it a try and see what happens. The main idea, paragraph 1. Describe the common fear and nervousness associated with public speaking as well as the desire to apply it. For the example, paragraph 1. Many people in Indonesia might feel uncomfortable with public speaking, especially during formal events like wedding or traditional ceremonies. A common solution is a hire professional MC for this event. Main idea, paragraph 2, encourages readers that public speaking doesn't have to be crazy and advises of planning ahead, researching the subject and understanding the audience. For the example, paragraph 2, in Japan, preparation for public speaking is high value. People are now to spend significant time researching and preparing their material to answer all fake and antiquate are properly followed before delivering a speech. Main idea, paragraph 3, highlight the importance of understanding the purpose of the speech and the speaker role to avoid confusion. For the example, paragraph 3, in the USA, the purpose of a speech often revolves around persuasion or providing information. Speakers are expected to tailor their style to the audience, being more formal in academic context and casual in motivational event. For the main idea, paragraph 4 provides an example of how to introduce a keynote speaker by researching and summarizing key interesting information about them. Main idea, paragraph 4, friend's introduction, a keynote speaker is typically done with detailed information about their professional background and key contribution, creating a formal and respectful atmosphere. Main idea, paragraph 5, emphasizes the importance of giving introduction should possibly using humor but reminding the speaker to remain brief and not overshadow the main speaker. For the example, in the UK, introductions are typically polite and concise, often involving a touch of humor, but they maintain a formal tone and respect for the main speaker. Main idea, paragraph 6, highlights the need for thorough research and organized material when giving a lecture, using visual and example to clarify point and respective the audience by avoid overly technical language. For the example, paragraph 6, in Germany, academic presentations are high structural and well-researched. The use of the search groups and clear data is crucial to delivering effective presentation. Main idea, paragraph 7, focus on persuasive speech where the goal is to convince the audience, such as a product promotion or political campaign, by presenting clear facta and strong argument. For the example, paragraph 7, in the UC, persuasive speeches, especially in marketing or political contexts, are designed to emotionally engage the audience while presenting convincing data and testimonial. Main idea, paragraph 8, advise speaker to stay relaxed, speak slowly, and engage the audience through clear language and pause, ensuring that the audience can absorb the information. Main idea, for the example, paragraph 8, Italia speaker then to use hand gesture and provide vocal tones to mention audience interest, along with strategic pause to let her point resonate. Main idea, paragraph 9, stress the importance of preparation, giving speechless, brief and to the point, and stay authentic to connect with the audience on a personal level. For the example, paragraph 9, Australia speakers are known for their informal and direct communication style, often being concise while maintaining a relaxed and approachable demeanor. Main idea, paragraph 10, consults by encouraging readers to practice this step, suggestion that public speaking can become enjoyable over time. For the example, in India, public speaking at cultural or religious events often starts with nervousness, but with regular practical speakers then to become more confident and are often asked to speak at more events.